I'm Janneman Cornelius from BioCo Crops. Moving beyond the basics, what specific physiological and biological impacts define the power of biostimulants? The power manifests in several key areas. Enhanced nutrient acquisition, the formation of root hairs, the mycorrhizal associations, and the exudation of specific compounds to increase the availability of soil nutrients. Improved abiotic stress tolerance. This involves mechanisms like the accumulation of compatible solutes to improve osmotic adjustment, the upregulation of antioxidant enzymes to detoxify reactive oxygen species, the modulation of hormonal balances, and the stabilization of proteins and membranes. Increase metabolic efficiency, optimizing carbon fixation, photosynthesis, and nitrogen assimilation pathways. Enhance quality traits, influencing source sink dynamics, secondary metabolite production like pigments in fruits, or cell wall structure affecting shelf life. Harnessing this power requires matching the biostimulants' known modes of action to specific agronomic objectives and crop stages. Are you ready to apply targeted physiological enhancement on your farm? Let's discuss the science.